Hello everyone. On August 3rd, the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi acquitted Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, the former chief of the Wrestling Federation of India, along with co-accused Vinod Tomar, in a sexual harassment case brought forth by women wrestlers. The court, presided over by ACJM Ashwani Panwar, determined that the prosecution did not substantiate the charges beyond reasonable doubt. Following the verdict, Brij Bhushan expressed his satisfaction, referring to the decision as an honourable acquittal, and stated that he felt happiness for himself and his supporters. Prominent wrestlers, including Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia, and Sakshi Malik, expressed their disappointment with the ruling and announced plans to appeal the decision. In a joint statement, they mentioned that the women wrestlers have instructed their legal team to file an appeal as soon as possible. The case originated from allegations made by female wrestlers against Singh during his leadership of the WFI. In 2023, the Delhi police submitted a charge sheet against him, citing offences such as sexual harassment, assault, and criminal intimidation. The charge sheet, which spanned 1,500 pages, was filed under various sections of the Indian Penal Code. Brij Bhushan celebrated his acquittal by sharing a video of his supporters on social media, captioning it with "Satyamev Jayate." He reiterated his belief in the judicial process and maintained that he had never felt guilty. He characterized the allegations against him as a conspiracy and emphasized his commitment to advocating for the rights of junior athletes. Following the court's decision, Singh received a warm reception at his home, where supporters celebrated with flower petals and firecrackers. His lawyer, Rajiv Mohan, remarked that the court had yet to provide a copy of the order, which would clarify the basis for the court's conclusion. In response to the verdict, wrestlers Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia, who had led protests against Singh in 2023, voiced their discontent. They stated that it took considerable courage for the women wrestlers to file complaints against a powerful political figure and accused Singh of leveraging his political influence to intimidate complainants. Phogat and Punia highlighted that many female wrestlers remained steadfast in their pursuit of justice and expressed their sadness over the court's ruling, which did not find Singh guilty of the allegations. They accused the government and the system of protecting Singh and affirmed their commitment to continuing the fight. The current WFI president, Sanjay Singh, welcomed the court's decision, labeling the allegations against Brij Bhushan as baseless and politically motivated. He claimed that the accusations had negatively impacted the sport of wrestling in India and expressed relief over the verdict. Brij Bhushan also addressed the media, asserting his innocence and alleging that false cases are being used by political groups for personal gain. He framed the court's decision as a victory not just for himself but against a broader trend of false accusations in the country. He urged those involved in the protests to reconsider their actions while acknowledging their right to appeal. Singh dismissed claims of administrative failures within the WFI and insisted that grievance mechanisms were in place throughout the controversy. He concluded by asserting that the allegations were manufactured and that the committees designed to handle grievances were active all along. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.